Hi buddies, are you ready to discover the laziest, yet most effective way to make money online without showing your face, creating a product, or needing upfront cash? This method lets you earn even while you sleep. Intrigued? Stay tuned. I know you've seen tons of videos about online services and transcription gigs, but let's be real, these only pay when you're actively working. We want the lazy, smart way. A method that makes money effortlessly. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate hack, pairing lucrative partner products with high-impact traffic sources. It's simpler than you think. Trust me. Step 1. Find your passion first. Grab a pen and paper or open your notes app. Write down 15, 20 topics you genuinely enjoy. Passion drives creativity and persistence, so this step is crucial. Step 2. Partner with lucrative products. Next, head over to platforms like digistore24.com or clickbank.com. Browse their marketplaces and pick categories you listed earlier. Look for high-commission products. Ideally, those that pay $100 or more per sale. Imagine earning $500 or $600 from a single sale just because the product is priced at $1,200. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Step 3. Apply the lazy content formula. Now, let's create content that drives traffic to these products. 1. Search YouTube for your chosen category. 2. Identify top creators and their most viewed recent videos. 3. Note down 30, 50 video ideas based on trending content. 4. Create engaging slides using Google Slides. Add images and icons from sites like pexels.com and flaticons.com to keep it interesting. 5. Record your screen and voice with OBS, a free tool. If you prefer, hire a voiceover artist from Fiverr or Upwork. Upload your videos to YouTube, optimize them, and place your product links in the description and pinned comments. Pro strategies: post 3 videos a week. After a year, you'll have 144 videos. If each video gets 1,000 views monthly, that's 144,000 views a month. With just a 0.04% conversion rate, you could make 57 sales monthly. If each sale nets you $100, that's $5,700 per month from products you didn't even create. Tips for success. 1. Create lifelong revenue. Partner with subscription-based products like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Earn recurring commissions as long as subscribers stay. 2. Leverage software. Use tools like VideoScribe for whiteboard animations or OBS for screen captures. Channels like Philosophies for Life have millions of views using these methods. 3. Delegate and scale. Once you start earning, outsource tasks like editing and voiceovers. Use Trello to manage your projects efficiently. Remember, with money comes the power to simplify your workload. And this video is not sponsored by anyone or any company. If you found value in this video, smash that subscribe button and join the Wealth Hustle community. Hit the bell icon to get notified about more smart ways to make money online. Let's hustle smart, not hard. See you in the next video.